Hey folks, Mike McGee here. Today's video starts last night, really. It's getting dim and we don't feel like plucking doves all the way into the night. For the last several years, maybe since he's been born, I've known how to do this trick. So I'm gonna show you what to do if you get a bunch of doves and it's getting late and you wanna go to bed, just go to bed. Here's how to do it. First of all, put your doves in an ice chest. Feathers, guts and all, it don't matter. And then take your big old bag of ice and lay right in on top of them. And I promise you, they won't go bad and they'll be there waiting for you in the morning. It is 6:47 in the evening and I cannot believe the fog that is rolling in. Very, very unusual. Extremely unusual for this time of year. What is going on out there, Randall? All right, folks, it is the next day. I've got my doves here. My ice isn't even all the way melted, so you know that the birds are cold. We actually got 30 of them here. The thing I like about using the ice overnight, it makes the feathers a little bit damp. And when you got damp feathers, they're clingy, which may not be the nicest thing about sticking to your hands, but they pull out of the bird pretty easy that way. First thing you do, we like to leave the heads on, right? To pluck up and then pull the head off. It's real easy. So if you cut the head off, you have to deal with a little more issue. The way we do our doves, we pluck them. And when you pluck them, you got the wings and the feet on there. It's a pain in the booty. So we take care of that right off the bat. You can cut both feet off with one fell swoop. The wings, just like this. And there is a little bit of meat on the wings, but not a lot. Some of these heads are already off because of the grabbing them in the field alive if they didn't get killed with the shot. So anyway, so that's how we do that. Here he comes. All right, once you get all the wings and feet off, here's how you're gonna do it. Start by pulling out the tail. That all comes at once. Once you do that, just come up the back. You can just kind of rub. Go around the body. I'm telling you, people think this is slow and hard. It ain't. Look here, just seconds, not minutes, seconds. And the thing is completely pretty much plucked, and then you just got to do the cleanup. And of course it sticks all over your hands. That's not a big deal. They wash off easy. You can dip the bird in water if you want. There goes the head. The way we do it, we get them plucked, get them laid down here, then we dress them out. Dressing them out is also easy, and we'll go over that in just a second. Look here, this bird is done. It's ready to be dressed out. At this point, we're ready to pull the guts. There's something about dove guts that catfish really love. And also, we're trapping. Caleb might use them to catch a possum or a raccoon. You don't need to even use a knife. The crawl here is full of grain from our field. Some of it's wheat, some of it's corn. There's also seeds from other places where they gathered weeds and whatnot. A crawl full of grain actually works as bait for anything you want to bait as well. So after you get that pulled out, take your finger, just one of them. You'll feel that keel bone. You just push straight in. The skin is very tender. Pull that all out and then just put your finger in. We leave the hearts in, take everything else out. There's the gizzard. That's where you would put the hook through if you were catfishing. And he's basically clean. He's ready to go. So we drop him in the water. I'm gonna pull the water up here. And we'll just do that over and over. And it's so easy to do, you just wouldn't believe it. You can feel that heart easily and it separates from everything. Just one easy little pull and you got it. So that's all there is to it. I always start with the crawl just to make sure that when I pull the guts out, it don't try to pull the crawl through the chest cavity. Stick your finger in, just like that. It don't even smell bad, folks. I'm telling you, doves are one of the cleanest little critters on earth. I'm gonna have Joel jump up there and turn this on time lapse, and we'll be done with this video in just mere seconds. All right, that's how you do it. See you on the next video. Have a great day.